Guys, Hey. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Who moved my chair over here? Guys, great news. It came. It's here. And I'll tell you something. I've been waiting for this a long time. As of, well, how long have I been waiting for this? Months now, at least. It's finally here. Yes. Guys, Splatoon 3. And y'all know what time it is now. I'm gonna be making some gameplay footage of this. And it's going to be awesome. I'm sorry, I'm just really hyped for this. I've been waiting for this for so long. I played the world premiere and I was pretty impressed. So I guess this means Splatoon 2. Hasta la vista. Regret that immediately. Sorry. No, I'm kidding. I still love the second Splatoon. Please don't be mad at me. Please. But yeah, let's get into it. I'm really excited.